I'll make a huge mess, but I promise I'll clean it up.
We're talking Leo.
It's already not usable, so.
It's a
That's what we
recycling
do.
company. That's what we do. We're destroyers.
Fun.
It looks like fun, right?
Yeah. I've done that before, though.
Who asked me if my job was fun? There you go.
Oh. Snap.
Does it look fun?
Yeah.
It does, right?
Oh, I love this story thing.
I don't know. See, 57 seconds. I didn't know this was timed.
It's probably like it's probably 1 minute.
It's got to be clean though, right?
That's taking up time.
Now, really, he shouldn't have goggles on.
Technically, yes, I should.
One minute, 36 seconds.
Looks apart, right?
Yeah.
Maybe this. That's kind of cheating. You got to kind of clean that.
Yeah.
That's
We're
too
not-
much metal.